I love home solo Bitcoin mining. Maybe it's the tinkering factor of getting new ones in that are more efficient and higher hash rate. Maybe it's the lottery factor, that gamble factor a little bit of putting these machines to work as my employees and having a chance to hit a Bitcoin block versus 3.125 Bitcoin. But I also get it. It's not for everyone. Not everyone enjoys tinkering. Not everyone can run a Bitcoin node and pull it home. Not everyone has really good internet. And I'll be honest, not everyone can afford, these add up. These used to be about $100 each. There's 8 right there, holy cow. But I totally get it. It's not for everyone, not everyone enjoys it. But have you heard of burst solo mining? Let me introduce you to Luqee.net. Solo Bitcoin mining built for everyone. No hardware, no experience required, real solo mining power you control with enhanced rewards, boost, and power mining events for an engaging mining experience. So first off, huge shout out to the team over at Luqee.net for sponsoring today's video. And stay tuned, we're going to be giving away a boatload of hash power. All right, so how exactly does Luqee.net work and what really sets it apart from a lot of amazing competition out there? Well, let's jump into it. First off, you choose your mining power. You pick what avenue you want to go with, how much hash rate you want to go ahead and rent. Second, you connect your wallet. You can do Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. They make it super easy. And then finally, you hang on for the ride to keep track of how you do and how well you perform and what blocks you actually hit. But what sets Luqee.net apart? First off, we're not using our Bitcoin to buy hash rate to earn more Bitcoin. I want to hold my Bitcoin as long as I can as a store of value. Nice thing about Luqee.net is you can use your credit card to go ahead and purchase hash rate. Second item out there. There's a lot of really good platforms on the market right now, and they do a lot of really good things very well. One thing being going ahead and renting a massive amount of hash rate for a very short period of time. But if you guys know solo mining, there's definitely something to be said for longevity. And that's exactly what Luqee.net does. You can go ahead and rent out as low as 100 gigahash up to 50 terahash. And we're not just talking an hour or 2 hours. We're talking weeks, months, or even up to a year that you can go ahead and rent out. It's really that simple. And finally, the big one here is their kind of burst solo mining technology. And I'm going to show you guys firsthand exactly how this works because it really caught me off guard, but got me really exciting about solo mining again. All right, welcome to my dashboard on Luqee.net. So let's just dive into it because there's a lot going on here and a lot I want to explain. So Luqee.net allows you to solo mine Bitcoin as well as Bitcoin Cash individually, or you can go ahead and split that, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Now, I get it. You guys see this crazy green and orange bar flying by and really interested in what is going on here? Well, that's me solo mining Bitcoin at 5 terahash, and not just for an hour or 2 hours, maybe a week, maybe a month or a year. You actually get to pick. For me, I'm set up for an entire year at this time. And the reason I'm at 5 terahash, why am I not at 1 terahash, is there's a few things going on that make Luqee.net very different. I paid for 1 terahash, but I have a bonus, and I'm going to get you guys a code here to get this bonus as well, that bumps it up 4 additional terahash up to 5.09 terahash. So that's kind of our baseline, right? But where does that burst solo mining come in? Well, just a few minutes ago, I actually saw this as high as 50 terahash. And you're like, wait, time out. Why? Well, what is very different about Luqee.net is your minimum is what you pay for, but you enjoy the value of a burst effort that occurs with additional hash power every once in a while throughout the day. So the cool thing is you will see that actually hit. You may even see it today during today's video. We'll have to keep an eye out for that burst and when that occurs. Now you can come up here and under the 5.09 terahash, I can actually come in and split it if I wanted to. So I can move this bar to the middle and it will then go ahead and split the hash rate between the two of them as well. So I can solo mine Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash at exactly the same time. So where's all this hash rate coming from? Believe it or not, Luqee.net actually owns a boatload of Bitmain Antminer S21s and has them hosted at a US based hosting company. So if we wanted to take a closer look at this pool side, you can actually come in and we can click up here in the top right hand corner. And this is going to bring up some of our share statistics, but down here is mole pool. They're currently using mole pool. They're going to be adding in other pools in the future. So if you go ahead and click on mole pool, it's actually going to load up on mole pool my Bitcoin address and all of my stats. And here's where that kind of that boost comes into play. So if you look here, current hash rate within the last 30 minutes, look, I was at 77 terahash. Not 1 terahash what I paid for, not 5 terahash, but within the last 30 minutes, I was upwards of 77.56. Now you can see on the right-hand side, it does have a 3-hour average. We were upwards of 80. So the nice thing is I'm solo mining Bitcoin to mole pool utilizing Luqee.net and their burst solo mining technology. Now jumping over to my profile on here, you see it's called Hobbyist Rig and it's got my email address listed. You could come in and actually soon they're going to be giving you the feature to add in your phone number so that you can actually get text alerts if you're interested when you hit a block. But right now I do have it set up for email alerts for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And then scrolling down, I've added both accounts. I've added my Bitcoin address as well as my BCH address for Bitcoin Cash. And then finally, take a look, custom pools. They're going to be adding this very, very soon. They have set up for coming soon. So let's jump back over to mining. And what I want to show you guys is the split between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag this. So I'm going to do 500 by 500 and I'm going to hit apply. Now what this is going to do is this is going to take my hash rate and split it between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And I can flip between them very easily. You know, up top here, you can come up top and kind of change that if you're interested. So now we're on Bitcoin Cash. You can see it's just operating here on Bitcoin Cash. You can see my 500 gigahash, but look, I'm boosted up to 2.3, or I can swap directly over to Bitcoin. And now it's just showing the Bitcoin stats as well, still upwards of that amount as well. Look at this. I just got boosted up. I'm at 100 terahash right now. 100 terahash. I only paid for 1 terahash. This is absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. So if we go over to store on the left-hand side, and this can be viewed on your phone as well. It's actually built to be run on your phone or on your actual computer. But jumping over here, what I wanted to show you guys is you can come in and do a one-time purchase. So I always recommend like try one time and then go ahead and do subscription. You know, it's always good to kind of test the waters. But if you want to do one time, you could come in, pick 1 terahash, and then pick how long you want it to run. So for 1 year, for 1 terahash, it's $289. Now you might be like, oh man, 1 terahash for almost $300. But remember, there's that burst solo mining technology built in with this. You guys saw it there, 100 terahash, 77, 50. You're getting significantly more than just that 1 terahash. They do have the option as well to come up here for subscription and then pick like 1 terahash, and you can do it annually. You can have it pay monthly. It's really whatever is best for you guys and kind of what your schedule is there. The nice thing is you can come in and pay with credit card currently. They're looking at crypto in the future. And then once you're ready and you find exactly what you want, maybe you want 1 terahash monthly, you can come down here to continue. Now, the big one is under a promo code. They have given me a code that is going to give you some nice benefits. That bonus that I showed you guys earlier that I was getting like 4 terahash bonus. You can go ahead and use my promo code. I'll put it up on the screen. Hobbyist LKY26. That's going to give you some of that bonus. So make sure if you guys do decide to try this out, go ahead and under promo code here, you put in that code, put in your credit card information, hit I agree, and hit checkout. All right, so last thing I want to show you guys before we go ahead and create our brand new account, walk through how to do this step by step, and then we got a really cool giveaway coming up, is there's this check-in thing up top. They've kind of created this little mini game here. So every day you can come on their platform and do claim, and this is going to give you, look at this here. So we're going to spin kind of a wheel, and it's going to reward us in chips. Chips is like their platform token, entirely free, but you can use chips to give you guys more bonus hash rate with your miners. So let's go ahead and hit use reward spin, and now it's going to go ahead and shuffle through here. It's thinking, and what are we going to earn here? And now we're going to pick, let's pick this card, 10 power chips. So what are these power chips? How exactly does this work? Well, let me show you. So if you come over here and go to store, and then once you're over at store, you do have the option to go to boost up top here. Now you can come in and look, 750 chips, it'll give you 10 additional terahash. 1350 chips, gives you 25 terahash. So you can come in here and spend these, which is actually really, really convenient. Now, keep in mind, I got only 10 there, right? You're like, oh man, it's going to take you forever. But keep in mind, it could range. Some days you could earn 1,000 chips, some days 10 chips, some days 750. So there's a value to come in here each day. You can check down here bottom left to see if you hit a Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash block. And then you can also claim your rewards there. And so it's a really, really cool, fun mini game feature that they've added in. But with that being said, I want to go ahead and let's get a brand new account set up. All right, if you guys are following along, come on over to luqee.net. I'll put a link directly down below and click Start Mining in the upper right-hand corner. Once you do that, go ahead and click Sign Up. Once you've clicked Sign Up, you have a few options here. You can use your email, or there's also an Apple account or a Gmail account. Create your account, and as soon as that account's created, I'll see you right on the other side. All right, so now that I attached my Gmail here, you got a little beta heads up here. Go ahead and read through that when you have time. We're going to hit continue. We now can come in and name our account. So I'm going to just do Hobbyist Test as my kind of mining handle, and select my country, United States, and we'll hit continue. Now you can go ahead and give some feedback if you guys have enjoyed the platform so far. We're going to do maybe later. And trustless by design, it's kind of explaining no custody, no fees, transparent mining, direct mining, which I love. I love the fact it goes right to my actual Bitcoin address. So let's go ahead and move forward here. This is now going ahead and explaining kind of 24-hour hash rate, which is exciting, versus, Luqee mining versus actually home mining. Let's hit continue. Now, mining experience. I'm going to come into this as brand new to this kind of solo mining stuff. So we're going to select new. Next is going to ask what I want to do. I want to find some solo blocks. And I'm going to select Bitcoin as my crypto of choice. And look, it even shows, look, there was actually some recent solo winners here. It looks like on Bitcoin Cash. That's so cool. All right, so promotion. This is where I was talking about. You guys can use a promo code that's going to give you a bonus. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. That's Hobbyist LKY26. I'll put a link directly down below. Let's hit apply code and continue. And right away, you can see here, more power, more chances. This is for their power mining event. Keep an eye out for that. We'll hit continue. Stay in the loop. You can turn on text alerts. It says coming soon. Email alerts are on. We'll hit continue again. Mining isn't guaranteed. So it's kind of letting you know, like, hey, there's no guarantee that you're going to hit a block. And they want to make sure you guys understand that. I understand. We're going to hit create an account. Now, take a look. With my code, Hobbyist LKY26, what do you get? 100 gigahash for 14 days. Now remember, you have that boost. So 100 gigahash like your base. You also have that boost there, which is nice. Plus 1 power pass used during their power events, which that's pretty cool. We're going to have some Hobbyist power hours coming up in future live streams. So keep an eye out on my YouTube and on my Twitter. All right, so let's go ahead and do got it. And we're going to show me my core miners. So let's go ahead here. There's 2 different ways you can go. You can go simple, or you could go advanced if you're interested. And kind of what we'll stick with advanced, or we'll stick with simple. Continue to core miners. Okay, great. So here is that same store that we saw earlier. So we're going to do one time, and we're going to just do a weekly one-time purchase here. So I'm just going to test this out. Remember I said test the waters a little bit here. So we're going to do this one miner at weekly for $3.99. And we're going to hit continue here. And now you can come in, and if you want, you can also enter that code if you wanted to there. But if you enter the code again, it's probably going to say, look, code is already redeemed. So you can't add that code in there. That's not the right spot to do it. So this is going to give us one miner for 1 week, and we can use our card. There is the crypto option, but recommending you go the card route. Don't spend that Bitcoin. Let's hit I agree. I'm going to acknowledge this, and let's click checkout. All right, I'm going to go ahead and check out here, and I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, so I went ahead and completed my purchase, and now I have 2 things I need to do. I have a BTC wallet, and I can put it in or put in your BCH. So I recommend you check both of these if you guys have a wallet or not. If you guys don't have a Bitcoin wallet yet, I highly recommend that you guys go ahead and purchase a Tangem wallet. Honestly, I use Tangem inside out. I'm going to put a video directly down below that walks you through how to set it up. It is not overwhelming. I know it can be a little intimidating, but I highly recommend Tangem as your wallet to get started. Let's go ahead and hit continue here, and it's going to ask me for my Bitcoin address and my Bitcoin Cash address. So let me go ahead and grab those. I have a test Tangem wallet, and let me get those set up. All right, I got both of those added in. Let's do confirm and do save and continue. Wants me to confirm my addresses. They look good. All right, it's going to take a few minutes to actually have your miners start up and start hashing. Now, it shows MM, and you might be like, wait, what is that? Well, we select simple. Remember, we select simple as our avenue of metrics. If you're looking for like gigahash and terahash, it's actually in your settings, so you can change it. So if you're good with that, keep it that way. But if you would like to change it, come into your profile and then scroll down, and right here under advanced units, you can just go ahead and check that off. It's just because we selected on our account that like we're beginners and we're just getting started. Once you do that, you can come back here and take a look. I'm already getting boosted off of that 100 gigahash that I paid for. I'm at 200 terahash. This is absolutely insane. I love this burst solo mining mechanic. It's so cool. All right, if you guys stayed this long in the video, congrats. You have a chance to win a massive hash rate giveaway. Check this out. We're going to be giving away 1 year, one entire year, 365 days of solo Bitcoin mining to 2 of you. One person's going to walk away with 100 gigahash, and another person's going to walk away with 1 terahash for an entire year. But remember, we're not just getting 1 terahash because that's just the base. You also have that burst mechanic that we talked about, which is pretty much what sets Luqee.net entirely apart from the competition. So 2 winners thanks to the team over at Luqee.net. Well, how do you enter? Easy. Go ahead and comment directly down below and let me know your thoughts on this platform. Let me know the goods, the bads, the ugly, what you like, what you don't like. And guess what? In 2 weeks, I'm going to pick 2 winners and I will go ahead and post them right on this video. Cannot wait to give away an entire year of Hashrate to one of you guys. All right, guys, huge shout out to the team over at Luqee.net for sponsoring today's video. Check out the links all directly down below in this video, as well as when you set up an account, use Hobbyist LKY26. That's going to give you all those bonuses that we went ahead and saw today. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.